Today we're going back into Reddit. I'm searching myself. What is being said about old Alex Beezy over here? No one's ever called me that in my life. What does Reddit think of me? Let's find out right now. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. Learn how to book meetings with billion-dollar brands and take your company to the next level at email10k.com. Before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed down below. Smash that like button. It really helps with the engagement. So just go ahead and boom, smack that like button right on the button, on the finger. And let's go for it. Hit that notification bell. Let's do it. My team's compiled a list of places where I've been mentioned on Reddit, and today we're going to do a little reaction. Should I buy Alex Berman's Email 10K or Michael Lawrence program when I lack of converting leads? Rolling Cloud says Cold Email Wizard on Twitter. That's the only one worth its salt, and no, I'm not an affiliate or have any attachment. Actually, Daniel's course on Twitter is really good. Email 10K has everything in his course, plus everything on how to grow your agency from 0 to 10K a month. And I know it because I bought Daniel's course. This guy did not buy my course. So coming from somebody who has purchased Cold Email Wizard's course, has purchased my course, has purchased Guillermo from Lemless course, has gone through everybody's course, I know that ours is the best because we've taken insights from all of theirs and improved our process. And I look at our customer list and I know that they didn't buy our course. So I know for a fact ours is actually the best cold email course. But Daniel, I did have on the channel. I don't consider him a competitor. I consider him more of a friend. By the way, if you haven't already, go check out our other YouTube channel, Crazy Money. It's the greatest sequence of videos we've ever made. It's options trading, cryptocurrency. Div's doing make money experiments in India. I'm doing make money experiments in America. If you want to see all of those videos, go on over to crazymoney.org and subscribe. We'll also link to it down below. You can see our second channel, Crazy Money. Go subscribe down there and let's go. Art says, what happens when hundreds of people buy the same course and use the exact same scripts? The lead generation formula gets outdated. If you're willing to spend $9.97 on Alex Berman's course, I think you're better off paying for a consulting call with someone who's really good at cold outreach. That's what worked for me. However, if you do end up buying Alex Berman's course, I'd love to hear if it was any good. So these are people that don't understand the email framework that we teach. We don't actually give specific scripts in the course. We give script examples, but every cold email script is going to be very specific to the person. The whole cold email concept is custom first line, case study written in a very specific way, which is the core of figuring out who your brand is and what the offer is. That's the main thing we cover, which is actually not covered in Cold Email Wizard's course or Lemlist course. And then the takeaway, etc. So yes, you could copy paste these scripts and try to make some money, but the reason why this works and will work for 30 to 40 years in the future is because we teach concepts. We don't teach copy-pasted scripts. We want you to actually succeed using your own brain and your own work ethic, not just grabbing a get-rich-quick scheme from the internet. I also love how none of these guys are talking about Michael Lawrence's course. I don't know who that is. I think that's so funny. Alex gives a lot of pretty helpful tips on his YouTube channel. Have you tried any of those methods? I got a fan here, B Clem. I agree. We have so much free stuff on YouTube, and I highly recommend trying it to see if it even works for you. We don't lock anything away in a paid program. Yes, inside the paid program, it's all more organized, and we have some secrets that we take a while, like maybe 6 to 12 months before we release on YouTube. And you get personal direct access to me to tear down the emails and make sure that you're actually lined up for success. But this channel that you're watching right now is a great channel for free information. That's why I put it out here. I'm not out here to convince you that I'm some great guy. I just literally am writing cold emails because I love them. And people seem to have used those to transform their entire lives. So I think it's really cool. I am also curious what's in it on Email 10K, but haven't found any detailed reviews here. If you want, we can watch it together via Zoom. I would love to connect with you. I don't agree with this because this is piracy. We actually have a whole team. If you guys are gonna go half and half on the course, just know it doesn't come with private access to the community for both of you, only one of you, and just buy the full course once you make money, please. You know what I'm saying? I make my living. Besides the agency and stuff, I make my living selling these courses. Div makes his living. He's got a family to support. He's got a kid on the way. So by pirating our stuff, you're hurting us. By the way, are you guys on Reddit? Share some threads that you want me to respond to down below. Let's be Reddit guys. We're Reddit guys now. Let me know in the comments. Is Alex Berman a legit mentor. It looks like this is also Alone Golf 3012. Alone Golf 3012 really should have bought the course instead of asking all these questions. I hope Alone Golf 3012 is doing okay, but I have a bias towards action. I've bought some courses about digital marketing, but it seems like there is not more new information about the sales process. But right now I stumbled upon this Alex who's selling a 10K cold email mastery, which should make 400 to 800 per year with copy and paste. Can I trust him? Anyone else watches content on here? I don't think I've ever said that you could make $400,000 to $800,000 a year with copy and paste. What I like to do with our marketing and our hype is I always try to find that balance, which is you gotta tell people what they want to hear in order to have them join the course. Then once they're in the course, you show them what they need to hear and what they need to actually do to have long-term success. So that's why sometimes we get a little hypey with the marketing, but just know it's with your best interest at heart. I need to get you to join my course instead of joining the courses of any of the other people that aren't practitioners and aren't gonna have your best interest at heart. Frugality, that's a bold claim that makes a lot of assumptions about having an amazing product and a sizable email list to make that happen. Actually, you don't need a sizable email list with cold email. You can just build the email list, and you don't need an amazing product because you're reselling other agencies' amazing work. That's what we talk about when I'm cold emailing agencies to borrow their case studies and stuff. You actually don't need either of those. You don't need to spend 10 years getting good at anything. You can just sell other people's things. And it actually works really, really well and is super scalable. I haven't taken this training personally, but trust your gut. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, unless of course you can get students of the program to give it cred and tell you it actually works. I did take the Dan and Ipe training, which I love and share my story with anyone who will listen, but they also have over 6,500 members and tons of testimonials, which will be a game changer. Either way, best of luck. I agree, some courses will totally change your life. I remember Ramit Sethi's course changed my life in college. Find Your Dream Job. I found my dream job, and it really set me up for success. And we have similar stories from people that have joined Email 10K. You know, people like Jacob, who are on track to make $1 million this year. Christina, who made over $1 million with Email 10K. And a ton of other people that got to $10,000 a month and changed their lives using exactly what we talk about. Mantis, I've watched his course. Even I'm not in cold email marketing. Your expectations of 400 to 800 a year are too big. This is not so easy. If it was so easy, everyone would do it. I think $400 to $800 a year, if you're selling a $100,000 thing, that's 4 sales. All right, that's 4 sales. $400,000 a year is only $33,000 a month. So 33 divided by a $4,000 offer, which is what we recommend in Email 10K, is only 8 clients. You don't think you can get 8 clients using what we talk about in Email 10K? I know hundreds of students that have gotten 8 clients. If you can get 3 clients, you can get 30 clients. But I'm not saying 30 clients, I'm saying you can get 8 clients and make $400,000 a year. This isn't insane. Let's see, one of our sales guys, Jacob, actually killed it here. 190 upvotes on his post. How to sell SEO via cold email, templated, included that I used to sell 20K in 2 months. I used this exact template to sell 20K worth of link building outreach service in 2 months. You can use this exact framework. So you see the other posts talking about how, they're concerned about it because they've watched the free material, it's not really working. And then you see somebody like Jacob, who now works for our organization because he was that good and we wanted him around, we needed him around. He's that amazing. He's helping rebuild our delivery process and he's killing it right now. I love Jacob. And here he is using the template from the cold email videos and from the course. He's in the course. He's using that to close $20,000 worth of work. So who would you rather listen to? The guy hesitant to buy a course or the dude that bought a course and implemented? And I can see who Reddit would rather listen to because no one cares about your, should I buy this, should I not buy this? People care about, I did buy this, it worked, and here's how I made $20,000. If you're struggling to get clients that pay you what you deserve and you want a quick path from 0 to 10K a month in your agency, check out email10k.com. You can see that, we'll link it right down below and you can check that out. You can also watch this video of me responding to other Reddit threads. Stick around because we have a ton of content that's coming in the future that I'm actually really, really excited about. And we have a ton of videos in the past that I'm sure you haven't seen all of yet. So go ahead and watch those past videos, stay around for our future videos, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.